Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of Marquee Addons. Today we are going to show how can we add circular text rotation in our WordPress website. To add this feature we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro, and I will add both plugins link in the video description. Let's get started. Just drop that widget in Elementor editor canvas here. We can also add that from by searching like circular, it's appeared. So from here we can drag that here in Elementor canvas. So for this rotation text we can add also here more text like this. Okay, make some. Okay, and we can increase, we can also set alignment, center, left or right, and we can also set radius for circles. If I make it 100, you can see, so make it 50. So when we make it 100 we need to add more text here. So make it 50. In additional options we can see here and switch animation. So when we turn this off, animation not gonna work. And we can also increase animation speed, make it 50. It's increased, so make it 10. Okay, make it 5. Okay, and we can also set the direction for circular text, clockwise or anti-clockwise. And when we turn this feature, pause and hover, when we hover on this text, it will be paused. This is how this feature actually work. And there is an option, hover effect. If we add zoom in here and hover on this text, zoom in hover effect added, and we can also add zoom out. This is how this hover effect works. And there is an option, rotate on scroll, when we enable this feature. So we need more content here, so right now we don't have that. Let's add some space here. 500, make it 500 and make it 500. So when you scroll top to bottom or bottom to scroll, we can see that it's rotating. So this is how actually scroll effect works. When you scroll, rotation enabled. So right now I don't need too many space here. Okay, in style tab we can add also typography for this text. Okay, so make it off, and we can add also size for it, make it normal. Okay, so this is how it actually work and typography works. And we can add also color for it, and we can add text stroke, which text stroke we want. So let's make it add some size, font size. Okay, so make it some space and add some 70. Okay, now it looks good. And we can add also text stroke. This is how actually our circular text rotation works. Thanks for watching.